Welcome to Sky River RV, the Central Coast's premier RV dealership. And here's a look at one of our quality RVs. Since 1989, Sky River RV has been bringing adventure and smiles to our friends and neighbors. We pride ourselves on providing a 5-star experience to every customer, every time. Our team is dedicated to the RV lifestyle, and we do whatever it takes to make sure that you go home in an RV that is just right for you. Looking for great prices and even better service? At Sky River RV, we hear you.